Hey tea lovers, welcome back to Tea of the Week. This week we're focusing on a newer blend that was specifically created for a personal friend of our CEO, but has helped many others too. Organic Vertigo Relief has 6 organic ingredients to naturally decrease dizziness and imbalance. Up first is organic GINKGO. GINKGO is a widely used natural supplement to help with symptoms caused by vertigo. This plant works by managing blood flow to the brain to relieve dizziness and balance issues. GINKGO has also been shown to be helpful for memory loss and is full of antioxidants. Organic ginger appears in this blend to ease the nausea often caused by vertigo. Ginger can also help reduce inflammation and has been shown to provide benefits for anxiety, depression, PTSD, and dementia. Organic peppermint is another herb that is great for nausea, along with helping to relieve headaches and muscle tension. Peppermint adds a delicious minty and refreshing flavor to this blend. Organic rooibos is an antioxidant-packed plant and has been shown to help relax the body and mind. Rooibos has anti-inflammatory properties and can help protect against free radical damage that leads to conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and potentially cancer. Organic turmeric is an ingredient with almost too many benefits to list. Turmeric appears in this blend specifically for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help relieve headaches and other symptoms of vertigo. Finally, organic black pepper helps to improve the body's ability to process turmeric and other anti-inflammatory ingredients. Additionally, black pepper can improve gut health and reduce nausea. This tea is delicious on its own. It's minty and a little bit spiced, but if you want to make a tea latte out of it, here's how. I'm going to start with a couple teaspoons of tea leaves in one of my teapots, and then add about 6 ounces of nearly boiling temperature water and steep this for 5 to 7 minutes. Next, I'm going to take some heated oat milk, you can use any type you'd like, and I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of ground ginger and half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon to this, before frothing it until it's nice and mixed. If you're going to add a sweetener like honey, maple syrup, or anything else you desire, this would be a great time to add it into the oat milk to make sure that it's well mixed. All that's left to do is combine our steeped tea and our frothed milk. This makes a delicious, lightly spiced tea latte that's a little creamier and richer than just drinking the tea by itself. Thank you so much for joining us for Tea of the Week. These are a couple reviews we recently received on Organic Vertigo Relief that we wanted to share with you. We've been so happy to hear that it's helping customers a natural way, and we hope that you'll give it a try or suggest it to someone who might benefit from it. All the links will be in the description below, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your week. Bye-bye!